Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce training class, and in today's class we are going to discuss about the roll up summary. So first of all, what is roll up summary field? So as we know, we can create the main type of fields on any of the objects, and as the same way we can also create the roll up summary field on 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 the object. But here is the object must be master objects, means we can create a roll up summary field only and only on master object. We cannot create the roll up summary field on the detail object. So whenever we want to create a roll up summary field, we have there should be a master detail relationship between the objects. So we can create the roll up summary on master object to calculate the value from the calculate the value from the detail object. So we can calculate the value from the detail records to the to the master on the master record. So what is roll up summary? So simply roll up summary fields calculate the value from a set of related records, such as those in a related list. As we all know, we have related list related list on every object. So the roll up summary field just calculate the value from that related list. So we can create roll up summary field that automatically display a value on a master record based on the value of record in child records. And one more thing which we have to remember, detail must be directly connected to the master object, means they are connected with the master detail relationship. And since roll up summary is based on the master, it's help us to review the object relationship it help us to see the object relationship using the roll up summary field. So here is the point, like how we can create the roll up summary. And using the roll up summary, we can count the number of records related to any particular parent's records, or we can do the sum, we can do the mean, we can do the max, and as well as we can set the filter criteria, means we can get the calculation based on any specific filter criteria. Otherwise we can all get the all records. So for creating the roll up summary, what we have to do, we as visual, we navigate the setup, then go to the object manager. From there you have to select the object where you want to create the roll up summary, and remember the object must be the master object. And as usual, go to the field and relationship, go to the new, and then from there we can select the roll up summary options, and we can create the roll up summary field. So now it's time to create the roll up summary. First I am going to create a roll up summary for count the child number of child records, and after that we will see the one more example to where we will do sum and set the filter criteria. So first one, let's count the number of child's record. So for creating the roll up summary, let's go to the org, and so now I'm in my org, and here I have two objects with the name school and student. And here in the there is a master detail relationship between the school and student object. So student is the child object, and the school is the master object. So we can create the roll up summary on the master object. It's mean we can create the roll up summary field on the school object, because school is the master of the student object. So what I want to do, I want to calculate the number of student related to the any particular record on the school object, means I want to calculate the number of student related to any particular school. So what I have to do, just go to the setup, and after that go to the object manager. So here is the object manager, and search for the school. So here is the school field and relationship, and click on new. Here you can see I can create the roll up summary on school object. Why? Because school is the master of the student object. So this is a master object, so we can create the roll up summary field over here. So click on next. After selecting the roll up summary, put the name over here. So what I want to do, I want to count the student, so give the name like count student and click on next. So here we have some options. So on this page we have some options. This is step 3. So in step 3, what we have to do, first of all, it's telling about the summarization. So master object is school and summarized object. So it's asking about the summarized object, so we have to select summarized object over here. So I'm gonna select student, and after that what I want to do, I want to count. Simply I want to count the number of child records. So I'm not going to do any calculation over here like sum, min and max. So as here you can see, one more field is field to aggregate. So this is only activate, this will only activate when we do the sum, min or max. So here it's asking about the aggregate field, like on the which field, on the basis of which field you want to do these operation. So for the count, it's not asking about this, it's simply count the number of records and so up or on the master object. So and now I'm just selecting the all records. Simply I want to calculate all record. I'm not going to set any filter criteria over here. So click on the next, then next, then save. So my roll up summary field has been created. Now it's time to check the things what we have done. So just refresh the page, and here I'm going to select school. So just open any one of the record, and here we can see the count student is 2, means we have 2 students related to this school. We have 2 child object records related to these parent records. And how can I check this? Just go to the related tab, and here we have to go to the student section. On this page all the related object is showing up here. So I have to see for the student. So here we can see we have 2 student record related to this schools. That's why it's showing the 2 student, showing the value of 2. It's simply the count of it's simply the count these 2 records and showing up here. So this is the way how we can create the roll up summary. So this is the example for the count. Now it's time to do the sum. So for doing the sum, I'm gonna use the account object and opportunity object. We all know that account and there is a relationship between account and opportunity. Account is the parent object and the opportunity is the child object. So it's act like a master detail relationship, and whenever we delete the records on account object, the related record on opportunity also will be deleted. So we can create the roll up summary field on the account object to calculate the amount on the opportunity. If there is 2 opportunity, it will sum the amount of those 2 opportunity and will be shown up on the account records. So again go to the setup, then object manager and account, field and relationship, and click on new. Again we have to select roll up summary, then next, and put the name here. I want to calculate total amount, so just total opportunity amount, and auto populate this field, and then next. Okay, so it's again showing the master object name, and here is the summarized object name. So select the summarized object. So I'm selected the opportunity, and for this time what I want to do, I want to sum. So click on the sum. Then hey, it's the this field is activated. It's asking about the field to aggregate. So which field I want to aggregate. So I want to aggregate the amount, so select the amount, and now I want to set the filter criteria. Okay, so whenever we want to set any filter criteria, select the second option. Then after that this option will be shown up here, and from here you can set the filter criteria. You can choose the field, then you can choose the operator, and you can say put the value over here. And if this filter criteria match to the any record on the account, after that the rollup will calculate the sum of related opportunity and then shown up on the account. If whatever criteria we see we set here, it's searching the child record related to this criteria. So let's do this. So here we can see the all opportunity fields, all fields which is on opportunity object. So I'm gonna select lead source. Okay, I want to like lead source equals to phone inquiry. If any opportunity lead source equal to the phone inquiry, in that case this calculation will be performed. So let's save this. Next, then next, and then save. So our rollup summary field has been created. Now let's go to the account object. Okay. Okay, so all account, and just select the record and go to the detail page. Search for our field total opportunity amount. So okay, you can see the amount over here. Now let's check about the condition. Go to the related, and in opportunity section just check the condition, is the lead source is equal to phone inquiry or not. So here we can say this is equal to the phone inquiry. So the amount of the calculated amount is showing up here. Here let's select any another records, all account, and open this one, and detail total. So here you can see total opportunity amount is 0 equal to 0. Why? Because the filter criteria is not matched over here. Might be the lead source is not equal to the phone inquiry, that's why the amount is showing 0. So let's check the lead source field on opportunity. Okay, so here you can see the lead source is equal to the web, so we cannot since we set it the filter criteria, like it's the roll-up summary calculate when and only when the lead source is equal to the phone inquiry. So in this case lead source is not equal to the phone inquiry, so the calculation will they didn't calculate the value from here. If I change the value from here, just suppose I change this to phone inquiry and save, and now let's go to the account. And open this, go to the details. Now you can see the refresh this. Might be there is no value in the amount, so let's check this. Oh, okay, it's blank, so put some value over here and save this. Now again go to the account and detail. So here we can now we can see the total opportunity amount. So there is only one child record related to the filter criteria, so it's just calculating the amount of from that just calculating the value from that records and showing up here. So this is the way how we can create the roll up summary field, and how we can set the how we can set the filter criteria, and how we can perform the operation, different operations like count, mean, max and sum. So that's all in this video. We will meet in the another video. See you soon. Bye. Take care.